Good morning, students. You are welcome in our YouTube channel. Today, I am here to share some important information to you. As you know, that 30th May night, it has been declared that school is not going to open in the month of June. It will be open in the month of July or August or September. Till now, it is not confirmed that when the government will give you the permission to open the school. Some of the students are till now not serious in the study because when we are watching the view of standard 9 students, it is very much unsatisfactory. And my dear students, you know, in extreme hot summer, the teachers are doing very hard labor for you. Nowadays, most of the schools are continuing the online classes. Not only the school, many higher institution also giving the lesson and they are trying best to lift up the students. In that case, it is your most necessary duty to follow the view and do the lesson up to taught. I want to tell you something that some of the students, you might think that when the school will be reopens, again the teachers will revise the portion from the beginning. For this point, I want to make you clear that you are now standard 9, means higher class. It is totally impossible matter for the teachers to revise from beginning to till now. Definitely, we teachers has told you repeatedly that while solving the problem, writing the question answer, if you are getting any problem after reopening the school, you must share your problem to the teachers, and teachers are always agree to help and solve your problem. But if you think that all things will be revised from the beginning, whatever the teachers has taught in the online classes, it is quite impossible. And you know, standard 9 board examinations have a fixed time. Within fixed time, we have to finish our lesson, and our lesson we have to finish within the December, means before your Xmas vacations, and already your month of May is finished. So regularly you must follow the lessons whatever the teachers are teaching and make it regular. And I have heard from the different sources that students are completing the notes. If you are completing the notes, it is not enough. Along with the notes, it is your duty to maintain the study habit regularly. Minimum morning 2 to 3 hours and evening 2 hours. Neither after reopening the school, your all problem can be solved from the beginning. Whatever the problem you are facing, can be solved. If you are thinking that we'll go to the private tuition and private tuition will solve, it is also impossible matter. For you, one record we have made, this things you just try to do, you make a chart, online class record. Here I have written the date, subject, lesson taught, homework and signature of the parents. We have started our online class from the 10th of April. So here we will write first date 10/4/20. Subject, suppose my subject mathematics. Whatever the lesson I have taught, introductions of chapter 1. And after teaching what homework I have given and signature of your parents. After that, the second period, suppose the Ghosh sir has taught, SST, that what lesson sir has taught, what is the homework and what is the signature. After that, suppose JP sir has taught. Like that, everything from 10th of April to the last date of the online class. As soon as school will be reopened, we'll check it, this record. And if you'll find the students who has not made the record, along with the signature of the parents, we are not going to allow in the classes. So you must follow. One more point I want to share, that as soon as school will be reopened, then we will give you the schedule, whatever we have taught in the online classes, and within a week we'll take the test. Within a week we'll take the test, and these marks will send as a assignment marks in your examination. So you must be serious. Have a good day. Thank you.